Hi there, students. A wiseacre. A wiseacre. A countable noun. Okay, this is a word to describe a person who seems to know everything, or at least pretends to know everything. Yeah, somebody who they are so knowledgeable about everything that you don't really like them very much. They're not a very nice person. Yeah. So this is like a know-it-all. Yeah. Somebody who appears or wants to be known to know absolutely everything. Yeah, or when there's somebody who's a bit smarmy and they're self-satisfied, they're cocksure because they always get it right. You could describe this person as as a wiseacre. Yeah, it's annoying because they always claim to know absolutely everything. Yeah, but maybe they don't. I think also a wiseacre, this has got the idea of conceited. They're very proud of themselves because they know more than everyone else. Yeah, a smart aleck, a wise guy, a smarty pants, a wise ass, as you might say. Yeah. So this is somebody who is pretending to be smart. They are showing everyone quite how well they know everything. Yeah. But well, it's yeah. Let's see. It's fine to know things, but to rub it in everybody else's face, that's irritating. Yeah. It's not the fact that they know a lot, it's the attitude to it. So this can be used either of two ways, really. Somebody who pretends to know everything. Yeah. They know how to do absolutely anything, even if they're wrong. Or somebody who maybe they do know a lot more than most people, but they're terribly proud and terribly conceited and look down their nose at everybody else because they don't know. How can you not know that? My God, you're so ignorant. Yeah, that bloody wiseacre. I'm sick of him. Okay, so notice this word wiseacre. This is quite informal. Yeah. This is somebody who, an insolent upstart, somebody who pretends to know more than everyone else. Yeah. So the wiseacres in society always tell us what to do because they know so much better than us. Okay, so let's see. What about formality? This is informal. I think I would give this a 4 in formality. Use it informally, semi-formal conversation. Semi-formal writing, maybe just. And then as to origin, it comes from Middle Dutch, Wiseacre, which talks about a soothsayer, somebody who can predict the future. From High German, Wiseacre, a prophet, yeah, or a wise man. From Proto-Germanic, Witago, somebody who's wise or somebody who can see the future. Okay, so let's see. I think we only use this word wiseacre critically. Yeah, being disparaging to somebody. We're saying it's this bad attitude. Either they're pretending to know or they do know, but they're so conceited and smarmy about it that yeah, that they're not really a very nice person. Okay, so yeah, I hope I don't come over as a wiseacre. Yeah. Okay, so enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Wiseacre.